It's here for Yamamuni Akwaba about Melodies Podcast YouTube channel so Mr. And there your first time with her. Subscribe and click the notification bell on so am I. Now we are our latest news be about Wonsa Ebeka. Now okay, metro send your bio screen so now oh yeah, na ya chat in some and that screen so Mr. Yana Sapa Pepe man. We are now with me a year subscribe. We are subscribe and we are bell so. Young boy so it's here for some way there. I'm say ne cannot I BB because we've gotten to this point several times, but still it doesn't go through. It doesn't go through well. We just hope say this time around this is happening for good. As I'm saying, Nana Pia Mensa, Nensen no, Nana Pia Mensa Sensema, I could so the Yeti, Ghana, and in Dubai, just say. Some other kaya, some months back, we are in the Nana Mensa, Yachino, Evo Dubai, only Dubai for AD assembly the Dubai company be a gold dealership company be AD assembly the day. Now, some months back, ruling Eba say Nana Mensa a winnie sa court case no. Na Ghana for bebre any J. Womo wombe supporting Nana Mensa supporting no Nana Mensa nankasa ba bonten ebe posti ye na ekre se ensema we posti no na indeed uhwemu a akwese ne kre Dubai court say yentia Nana Mensa ye company no de Nana Mensa e ba court no wo muntia Nana Mensa eno ne ensema Dubai court order na eno echi ne nim say Nana Mensa will be released ye nim say Nana Mensa will be free na eno echi na Yebeka say earlier on na Ghana police Yebeka say through the government Ghana police through the government issue a Interpol alert inti na yede na apia court na court e release no no na Interpol for so ensakoso ni mu a wo say hey oh my say yencho inti no Interpol for no wo de wo mfa won say we need court case and we need court case de Ghanaian law no and a Ghanaian Interpol alert no any year juma. Now since then Nana Mensa has been in custody of Interpol for a very very long time. Ngofo bebre sorry akasa ngofo bebre aye videos just said kill the every single day, almost every single day. Just said he said aye videos no kama afuno nkrofo every single day oye video, every single day oye video, every single day he talks about this matter. Also mo say asem no ahye ye send your government and neglect it asem way na a man bi so a the man say oh okay sisi ano court order say yentia Nana Mensa intino na ko mo ma Interpol for no enkoche no na nka o man bi a na ko be ma Nana Mensa kan ye de no abagana na ya hwese nya ye be ya ye be kwa ko sika na eye Dubai company no ede ne ka no na ya hwese nya wo betia. But I don't know what happened. It seems the Ghanaian government wasn't interested in that. The Ghanaian government were interested no and they said one more ebechi Nana Mensa. Nana Mensa ngasa ba bontin be kasai wone Kwame A+ kasai A+ shared screenshots in Yama say one Nana Mensa e kasa and Nana Mensa is being frustrated deliberately by the government. Now it's here for no and a Dubai company na womode asenne court court case Nana Mensa e win this case no Dubai company no so hu say Ghana for kra no wo mu chipi omo ho ene yen so yen capitalize na yen san so fa Nana Mensa enko appeals court into Dubai company no wo mo san so e de Nana Mensa enko appeals court it for anopa we intia ye nya ene say appeals court na ye de Nana Mensa akono appeals court no so abo Dubai for na semegu appeals court no abo Dubai for na semegu na tre say wo mo say Dubai for no sabi wo mo di for into no appeals court no campo de wa mo 21 days which is 3 weeks wa mo 21 good days says 21 days no wo mo enfentia Nana Mensa ka e kana wo mo de Nana Mensa no womo fa 21 days no entia ne ka eno ne nsema Dubai appeals court no womo e de abo plaintiff no Horizon sa gold dealership na bomo eche Nana Appiah Mensah no. And only breaking news at Airbus is here. And only breaking news at Airbus is here. But senior midin kind I mean, we've seen a lot of cases that it looked as if Nana Appiah Mensah was winning the case straight ahead. It looked as if Nana Appiah Mensah was, and it looked as if case ne real, but yebeshana BBAC. It when so is I mean victory. Sani yebekano, but the air coswa. I will not tell you to put your hope in this because it has happened one too many. Say Wosha as assembly koye pe obon say bibia be shame na say afi asem na sanso ajegu kra. It has happened one too many, I'm just announcing say yes, appeal court Ewo Dubai has thrown out the plaintiff's case. I don't know, don't just put your hope in it because we are very unpredictable. Ebe to me aba say bibi besanso esibiom na say one more elbow delay that because you see na say Nana Appiah Mensah he's willing. I mean, from what we are seeing, from the screenshots people share, from the comments from people, omo ye close to him, omo akwashan wo Dubai. What you say? Assembly by no, na Kwame A+. Ya ye say we forming new group TPP. Assembly by no, na Kwame A+. No one share down supporting Nana Appiah Mensah. But also one Nana Appiah Mensah e kasawie ye, one no have a very long conversation. Nana Appiah Mensah e friend no. Emo kasaye na wone no ekasaye no na ohun se Nana Appiah Mensah no sebe wonye nipa bone, he is willing to pay and only nsema Kwame A+ the two dwa mbra wone Nana Appiah Mensah ekasawe ye na sa Dubai Appeals Court ruling we America ho asem no we obi a ohun se ebia me source enye writer Mude say we will follow my channel way for a very long time. On him say my source I made a ana Rebecca said baby I'm in news free there very authentic. Brunei Bessie very authentic. If you don't believe in my source, just head straight onto Instagram. Oko Instagram ko search for Kumi Guitar. Ya you say Kumi Guitar so bo Nana Appiah Mensah plan. Oko Instagram ko Kumi Guitar na ko share the latest post. Na ko hwe asema watro ewo ho be say ene asema America no pepepe Kumi Guitar latest post so watro to say the appeal court in Dubai has thrown out the plaintiff case and they have asked them to pay Nana Appiah Mensah within 3 weeks. If there is a man to pray, there is a God to answer. And only say man Kumi Guitar so e ka to mo say enije abana femo say nipa wo ho say ana ye woni nipa bi a wono de wo se wono obebo mpaya and there ye wonyame bi a wono nso ono nso say wo betie mpaibo nti try say Kumi Guitar there but let's just be truthful here. Em say Nana Appiah Mensah same way it has really worried Kumi Guitar. How Kumi Guitar pa we all know how talented this chap is. Kumi Guitar no yenya himself we are very talented. The brother Nana Appiah Mensah no we used to see him, hear of him almost every time. I mean, he became big. Ghana Fonia Benim no name John between ebe bloye. But since the time Nana Appiah Mensah issue no eba no, utumo say akoya say he has even taken a break on most of these online and most of these interviews ne nyama no, most of these promos no. Me nim say sikano ne ni ho and say just in order to show solidarity no internal warriors because if you don't know this Nana Appiah Mensah assigned Kumi Guitar first. Kumi Guitar is the first person that Nana Appiah Mensah assigned here. Na Kumi Guitar can the man Nana Appiah Mensah adwin say oh na one Mr. o dey assign more people no mo famdral record label no so na record label no in blue. Inti no Stone Boy Shatawale sign in na no Yabeka say Kumi Guitar he had something to do with it. Inti no for onu Kumi Guitar no Nana Appiah Mensah ye na down for ebra womo ewo Adesadel College. Remember womo school SS time ewo Adesadel College. Inti for someone like him no he has been greatly affected by something of this sort. Into you don't expect say Nana Appiah Mensah Airbread will Dubai no or no Kumi Guitar will be on social media and be having fun and the likes. Into no yetiasie say Kumi Guitar and Yamabi will slow down yetiasie just in order to show solidarity. I just hope say Nana Appiah Mensah will pay his customers and all Ghanaians will be very happy because Sisia send and send no air men's good customers na kasi omo mba abonten ya mekasa ya tin sem dodo na wonwa ya wiewu dodo na asem no ashoki omo tese bebre na afemu ewu nti no chewadwen e wo comment box na tie for chewadwen e wo comment box ni mo I mean this is very interesting nti no and only breaking news at Eba Dubai court a ruling say yentia Nana Appiah Mensah within 21 days na omo ato case na twene omo ato case na twene. So let's see whether the company will see to it say omo betia Nana Appiah Mensah because sa asika na yesi yentia Nana Appiah Mensah no what say a car yesi Nana Appiah Mensah wode na sa asika no o ebetia abro so kra into that one there's no problem onya sa aska ne pe eno ano no onya sa aska ne pe embra Nana Appiah Mensah wonya sa aska ne kra no wo no kra bo ne Kwame A+ kasa no o say de say aban eya ne say aban epene ema onu Nana Appiah Mensah no oba Ghana so bo bedu Ghana say bimpe owo assets bi a wo be keka bomo a wo benye ska etia ne customers na ono de eno an wo train just the go ahead say aban Emma Interpol for and releasing Embra Ghana and open or train you will do Ghana or bet share the Bia Nisika wo na ye the customers neka. But I say I don't know why I buy normal person by yes idea no. Now will be a name the entire now buying M% omo by yes idea no. But Sisiano, let's see how this will also go. If you are a men's good customer, I'll just advise you, just don't raise your hopes high. Remember hopes and cost through too much because men's good customers, no, most of you have been disappointed for an extremely long time.